let's talk a little bit about homeowners insurance and renters insurance. That is important for the expat community too. To give you an idea about homeowners and renters insurance, the most important to consider is where your house is located, what kind of security you have, if you have cameras, if you have an alarm system, the rates can go down too. If you are located in the coast or in other city, you need to explain that to the insurance company. And the main coverage will be earthquake, fire, water problems, natural disasters, theft coverage. You can include civil liability too. Many of our customers normally ask for civil liability, coverage for civil liability inside the property. You can include that kind of coverage too. And the cost, the annual premium will depend of the structure cost, how much is the cost for your structure, for the house structure. And it's important, remember that not necessarily include the cost for the land. Many people sometimes bought a house for $300,000, for example, and they try to insure the house for the same amount. You will lose money because the insurance company will pay only for structure repairs, not for the land. Try to verify how many meters of construction are, what's the cost only for the structure, plus the cost for the contents. That's the other important thing. And to give you an idea, for example, for a $200,000 structure in a house, you can pay $460 per year for the structure insurance. And let's think the same house has $40,000 in contents, you will pay $370 for the contents. You need to consider these two amounts and will be the total to insure the structure plus the contents. If you need only renter's insurance, for example, and the contents in your house is $10,000, you only will pay $140 per year for the cost for renter's insurance. The coverage will be only to your stuff, not to the wall or to the structure, only in your stuff, by theft, fire, water problems, or any kind of damage inside your house, but only to cover your contents. To give you another idea, $20,000 in contents, for example, you will pay $210 per year. All that amounts are per year. And it's completely available, house insurance, homeowners or renters insurance, around all Ecuador, in any place of Ecuador. Many people say, is possible to insure houses in the coast? Yes, it's absolutely possible. You need just to look for the correct insurance company, and that's it.
Thank you, Carlos, for sharing that information. It was really helpful.
Yeah, it was. Carlos is an insurance agent here in Ecuador. If you'd like to get in touch with him, I will put all of his contact info in the description below.
Make sure you subscribe and ring the bell because our videos can help take the mystery out of your move.
And be sure to check out our other channel, Amelia and JP, because we show you what it's really like to live
in Ecuador.